In this video, you will learn how to fix Google account not showing holidays calendar in Calendar app on Samsung phone. Many people face this problem and it can be frustrating. The holidays calendar is useful for keeping track of important dates and events. I will walk you through the steps to resolve this issue quickly and easily. First things first, open up any web browser of your choice. Now, type in calendar.google.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in with the Google account that you want to use for your calendar events. This is crucial because if you're logged into a different account, you won't be able to access your desired settings. After signing in, look for the Settings button, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open up your calendar settings. You will see two sections labeled My Calendars and Other Calendars. In the Other Calendars section, check if there is an option labeled Holidays. If it isn't selected, meaning there's no checkmark in the box next to it, simply tap on that empty box to put a checkmark there. Once you've done that, don't forget to tap on the Save button, located at the top right corner of your screen. This ensures all changes are saved properly. Now that we've set up our Google Calendar correctly, let's move over to syncing it with your Samsung phone. Swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are in Settings, scroll down until you find an option called Accounts and Backup. Tap on it. From here, select Manage Accounts. You'll see a list of accounts linked to your device. Tap on your Google account associated with the calendar. Now look for an option that says Sync Account, and tap it as well. You'll now see various sync options available for this account. Locate Calendar, then switch off its toggle switch. Wait just a couple of seconds before switching it back on again. This action forces a sync between your Google Calendar and Samsung Calendar app. With everything synced up now, it's time to check whether holidays have appeared in your Samsung Calendar app. Open up the Samsung Calendar app from your home screen or app drawer. Look through your calendars within the app. You should now see an option for holidays listed among other calendars. And there you have it. You should now be able to see all those important holidays marked clearly within your Samsung Calendar app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.